Hi guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Rustball VR, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to build in Monkey Blocks. For anybody new, Monkey Blocks is this Lego style little area back in the back of city. There's like this huge door in city. Go through there, where you can build anything. There's blocks. You can even buy a set of blocks. I don't have that much, but you could have the winter ones, which are leaving on Friday. So, you want to know how to build. Well, first you're gonna need one of these, which I'll show you where they come from. They come from a small area like this. This area has plates that you can use to build. So first, when you grab your first plate, just put it down right here. It fits perfectly into a square meter or inch. So now that you've got your base plate, you might be asking, but how do I make this a house? Do not cry, my sweet child. I will help you. So, first that you got a base plate, now you want to do is come over here. There's this 1x6 block here. So first, hold on, I'm just gonna grab the camera like this. What you want to do first is that you might not know how to place a block on a plate. So first, you're going to take this block, you're going to put it right here. See? You've built your first part of a wall. Now you're going to take one of these pieces that come from the same area where the 1x6s come, and then add another 1x6. Boom, you have the entrance. If you want to make your house bigger, you could just add, you guessed it, more plates. They fit right in the middle. So, now that you have more plates that you want to build a house out of, you have a small area where you could build your house. What you could also do is a bit of something called small extensions. So boom, you have the layout for your house and the front entrance. If there's like these block gaps here, don't worry, here's a tip. When you go to where you get the blocks out of, there's this tall 1x1. Grab them. I'm gonna put one here. Grab one. And hold on. Why is it there? Put that one in the gap between this block here and this block. So you want to do the same. You want to do the same for this other side. Make sure to fit it directly in the middle, because look like a horrible house. So there, you have your front entrance done. But look, there's these gaps in the back. Well, come over here, and I know, then great. Grab that one, and that one. Hold on, I'm gonna have to, okay, sorry for that, technical difficulties. You're gonna grab one of these pieces, or actually two of these, and put them in the back. where you need to put them is where you can see the studs are up. And this is where the blocks fit onto the plates. So boom, you have your front entrance. Now, since you have the rest of this house to do, first of all, I'm just gonna grab a lot of pieces, but I know which ones to grab. To these. So, here's a tip for some of you guys. If you want to take as much pieces as you can, stack them up. Stack them up like this. And then once you need them, you could go back. You could go back to here. And then boom, you can place them. And I'm just gonna put. So there. Now you're gonna need another one of those. And this time two of these blocks. This looks like a hand crank, so just take that apart. So this is the exact placements where you're supposed to put your. Oh wait, I just realized this isn't symmetrical. So yeah, there's a problem with monkey blocks. Sometimes it's not symmetrical. That's why you have to double check. As you can see, I have these like claws that come out of the front entrance. And this is gonna be where most of where you would put the detail would be. I'm not that experienced, but with monkey blocks, but you can put whatever you want in here as an example. So now, since you have these weird 1x4 areas, you're gonna need to place them there. So boom. For this, you're gonna also need another one of these. So boom. You have 4 claws complete. And now we're gonna need to work on these outstretching rooms. And these outstretching rooms will be like where you would put your bedrooms and stuff. You could just put whatever you want in the house. You can make your own outlines. I'm just building a simple house made out of these beige blocks. So I'm just gonna bring you around back to here. I'm just gonna take that piece and that piece, put that together, then take another one of this and another one of this. So basically, you can grab extra pieces if you want. So now, take your block tower apart. Put that there. There. And there. So you have these empty. And if you want, you could do the same here. You have to do the same on the other side. You have to do the same on the other side to make it symmetrical. So there, you have most of your house finished, but you're gonna need to add the roof and these extra pieces. I'm just gonna quickly grab them. Boom. You have the external walls of your house complete. So now, if you want, I'm gonna add a roof since I do not want to drag this video on too long. since haven't even uploaded in a while. So just grab those like. I'm sorry, not bringing you guys with me, but so here, these are. You know these, right? These, I use them as the floor. So first, you're gonna put your first plate down here. There. Then now, you're gonna put your second plate there. Your fourth plate, your third plate there. Your third plate, your fourth plate. But you have that. Well, just grab 2 of the plates. Boom. And bap. So basically, you've got a basic house. So now, you gotta go over if you want to build a slanted roof, I'll show you guys, but it's not really necessary. So you're gonna grab some of these pieces. I'm just gonna take one and bring you back. So now, since you got a roof, you got a terrain block, you can make it look like a roof. I'm just gonna add this. I'm gonna add that. A grass roof. Terrain 2. And then you're gonna need to add the same thing to the other side. But hold up, you have a problem. So now go back to. I'm just gonna bring you guys back with me, since I know you guys want to know. You're gonna take one of these pieces, then put it right here. Fits directly like that. So now, you guys can see me. You're gonna take two of these. Wait, no. Wait, hold on. This should be there. There, yeah, that should be there. So we're making the front part of the roof. Then you're gonna have to press terrain 2 once again. Then put that there. It may look weird, I know. So now you're gonna go back to terrain 2. Then take these corner blocks. These corner pieces. Then add them to here. So you have the front part. So now you're gonna take those other slanted roof pieces that I showed you. You're gonna put them there. So now it looks like the White House for some reason. So now that you've got your house and roof completed, if you want to add some, I'm going to show you this part. You don't really have to add it, but you could add some bouncy pads, even a slide. I'm just showing you guys things you can add. It's not really and I'm just gonna get some more stuff. I'm just grabbing some more stuff. Then I'll be back on my way. So now, I'm just gonna switch my camera back around. So you just need, if you want to add a tree, I'm just gonna show you how to build one. There. Then you could add a topper. So then, boom, you have your first tree. And then if you want, you can add more trees. You could also add some fences. So make like your own pen for your sheep if you want. I'm just adding another tree. There. Now if you want to add some ropes, you can. You could also add a wind tunnel and another tree. So, guys, there you have it. A small house, and I'm gonna to show you what it looks like when you're small. I have my camera here, and I'm small. Then this is what the house looks like from my perspective. I'm just gonna switch to my perspective. Yep, this is what the house looks like. So now you can bounce on top of the house. You could go down the slide. Hold on. You could go down the slide. Come on. Whee! Yeah. So, basically, you built a fun house for yourself and for your friends. So, you could also try out the wind tunnel. What the heck? Yeah, I dropped my... Come on. So yeah. Wait. Yeah. So, basically, yeah. You built a house, and this was a good if this was a good tutorial, like, subscribe, comment what would you like for me to do a tutorial on next in Monkey Blocks. Bye.